When I was a geography student at the University of Southampton, I had the chance to go to Malawi with the Breccia team. This was for their Researcher Summer School and annual research meeting. Breccia is a university-led research project that is aiming to build research capacity for sustainable water and food security across sub-Saharan Africa. So the Breccia Summer School was a chance for early career researchers from the UK and sub-Saharan Africa to work on their professional and researcher development skills. We mostly practiced quantitative and qualitative research methods. So we spent time speaking to district councils, farmers, beekeepers, and eventually 2 different village communities. Some examples of techniques that we used over the 3 days included soil testing, water sampling, drone photography, focus groups, and participatory discussions. In groups, we presented our findings back to the Breccia team and then eventually back to the communities, and this was followed by some lunch and some celebratory traditions. Once the summer school was then wrapped up, we travelled to Salima for the annual research meeting. For the annual research meeting, we spent the week discussing, presenting and carrying out activities to first understand the progress Breccia had made in the last year, and then finally to produce future objectives for each small research project.
3, 2...
Some highlights of the week included visiting a seed bank, a fishing village, an irrigation farm, and finally presenting my initial dissertation topic to the team. While the rest of the Breccia team began their journeys home, I prepared to travel to Zomba to accompany a master's student with her dissertation research. Spending some time in the southern part of Malawi helped to shape my dissertation topic, which focused on Lake Chilwa, which in recent decades has decreased in size, which has had detrimental impacts for fishing communities. Wanting to continue to work with Breccia, I was offered an internship which collaborated with UNESCO IHP. Using the networks and organisations that I had made, I created a case study portfolio for an exhibition called Droughts in the Anthropocene. The exhibition was held at the UNESCO HQ in Paris, and a publication was also released where I was a co-author. During the COVID-19 pandemic, I was given the opportunity to be a research and administrative assistant with Breccia. In this role, I worked on analysing development data and creating formal written reports and presentations that were then relayed back to the team. So overall, my time working with Breccia has been a highlight of my university experience, and it's helped me to establish an international network of like-minded and ambitious researchers.